everyone, I'm Lori Halloway of the Meticulous Manicurist Nail Tutorials, and today I'm going to do the Fast Fill-In Acrylic Nail Challenge from Kirsty Meakin of Nao Nails. So it might take me a little bit longer than it took Kirsty because I'm going to do everything by hand filing, and it's harder to do your own nails than it is to do it on a client, but I'm up for the challenge anyway. It's been 3 weeks since I've last done my nails, and they are a mess. I'm using colored acrylic. I'm going to file the gel top coat off the top of it, and we'll see how it goes. So wish me luck. All right, really nervous, so make sure I got all my stuff out, my file, and hopefully I don't start sweating because it's really hot in here. The sun's starting to come out. Hopefully you guys can see really well and I stay in frame. All right, here we go. Get my little stop clock. All right, go. Make sure you get all of that dead skin stuck on the nail plate off. Gosh, this is nerve-wracking. I'm just gonna buff these purple tips off because I just want one solid silver nail. Since I'm not gonna be redoing the tips, they've grown out so much. So this is what I call the bow method, because the fingernail file stays in constant contact with the nail plate, like the bow of a violin. It helps me when I'm filing to get everything really symmetrical. And you know, as your nails grow up, they're in a different location, so you need to reshape, taper your tip, and out where your arch is going to be, or used to be. I always shorten and shape them at the end, so I'm not filing the same area twice. Oh man, it's hot in here, I'm sweating. Sweating and shaking. Great combination. Now I know how Kirsty felt. Thin over there. Hazards of the job, always hitting the fingernail file while you're holding onto someone's hand. Try to correct the shape a little. This one always grows crooked. Always. I think I can correct that with the file. Let's do it then too. Okay. I'm melting. My hair is falling in my face. Instagram notification. All right. Oh, this UV top coat is thick. I do prefer LED top coats. But did you know that, especially this brand that I'm using right now, you can cure it 2 30-second time intervals in an LED lamp and it'll cure it? Oh, I'm melting. Hot. We've been hoping for the sunshine all winter. We get it and I'm melting in my little corner. Oh, where's my oil? Get my oil. Alcohol. Did I do it twice? Can't remember. I spilled everything. I better put those lids back on. I think I forgot to prime my nails, didn't I? I might have. I don't remember. I'll have to rewatch. Oil. Okay. So let's see what we got. So there we have Fast Infill Challenge. Not the most perfect job in the world, but for speed, it'll do. Okay. So my time was 13:22. I can't remember right now off the top of my head what Kirsty's time was, so we'll have to look that up. But it was fun doing the challenge, and I hope everybody else does the challenge too and see how you do. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my channel. You can visit my social media sites to follow and interact, and I would really appreciate it so much if you would click that share button and share your favorite videos to help me grow my channel. Here are some other great video suggestions for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.